Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you what's inside the box of Nacon Revolution controller. So after opening here we can check, and here we have stickers and we have information about the controller. And after opening the big box here we have a controller and something to clean it with. Here we have the cables, and right under the controller here we have our Bluetooth stick so that we can make it wireless. And here, the most important, here we have the weights so you can make your controller heavier. And here we have the analog sticks. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.